Hey, what's up, guys? Well, yesterday was effective. You'll see. Check it out. I don't know. I'm gonna film this, but we're gonna take this just as it is. So, bam! The garage is clean. The tarp area is organized chaos. Same with the little studio room. I'll show you this. So also organized chaos, but it is all sorted. It's all clean, minimized. We got more to go through, but anyway. So this is what we're going to be working on today. We kind of move these out. Obviously that's a little too narrow to actually keep here all the time. But for now, it's going to work. What I'm going to do is take all this crap off. All this nasty stuff. And it's like plywood. And rerun electrical all throughout the garage. So kind of like what we did over here. There's probably going to be a box that sits in here. Electrical box. Little junction over from the house. So when we built this room last summer, something like that, ran all the plugs and sealed everything up. It's a really nice room. It's got plugs all over the place and pretty cool lights. Actually, it will eventually have, which I already bought. Really flat panel LEDs, pretty cool. But anyway, yes. So the garage is empty. Even my workbenches are gone. All the shelves we took down yesterday. All of that. What a pain in the ass. But we got it. It's good. Also the back room, super clean. Check it out. So there's nothing here but a window. Clean it up underneath all that. And this wall's going. Knocking that out today. So when you walk into the garage, it'll just literally be open room. And then open room all the way to this wall here, which is the back wall of this little studio room that we put in. Just thinking about, I don't know, reinforcing the trusses as well. We got this board here, and they all go diagonal, but I was thinking if I could like come out a little bit, make them straight, and then cut them off, basically cut the bottom of the trusses off. I don't see why it wouldn't be strong enough anyway. This thing it's got a center spine all the way down the garage now. I can back them with some of these maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Spitballing ideas. And then basically this would be wide open. And all of that would be storage. And then above the main room here, more storage, which we're using already. So, I don't know. Maybe opening it up. Skylight? I don't know. No idea. Probably cover this one up. The goal is rerun electric everywhere, plugs everywhere, and need a new door, need a new garage door, and then OSB over the top of everything, basically. Maybe paint it. I don't know. We're gonna do the floor as well, so I can get rid of this like weird stuff. But eventually, there'll be epoxy. New windows also. It's pricing out a new window that would be basically this whole thing. Maybe like a slider. I don't know. But it's so cool. You can see Angie's garden out there. Holy crap! What a view! Chickens never stop, but they're amazing. And yeah, here's the view of my house from inside my garage. Back of the house anyway. Later.